Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Foundation class of programming and data structure. Foundation class of programming and data structure, right? So class number 2, second class. Yesterday, because of some unavoidable reasons, I am unable to take this class because there is a function. Yesterday we have some function, so I am unable to take that, right? So I think it is the correct time to go ahead. Let's go ahead. Foundation class of programming and data structure, class number 2, right? Let's start. And one more thing is I want to suggest to all of you, programming and data structure. This is the foundation class. The class what I am going to explain is foundation class, right? So programming and data structure. Going to start, right? 1st April. Programming and data structure course is going to start 1st April. This course is going to start, right? Don't miss it because this is very, very valuable for GATE examination, right? Algorithm already done, right? Now programming and data structure going to start. It will start from 1st April onwards. My sincere suggestion to all the people who are serious about GATE exam, right? Please take care about this. From 1st April onwards, programming and data structure. Mostly, right? Date is right. Course page is not live. It will be live very soon, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But mostly April 1st. If not 1st, 2nd maybe. If not 1st and 2nd, maybe March 30 maybe. It will start. Maybe 31. Right? Within few more days. So my sincere suggestion is please plan accordingly. So the class which I am going to take, foundation class, some basics I will explain, the basics which are needed I will explain, right? So please take care, right? Make sure that you plan accordingly, right? Let's start this. Yeah, let's see from the people what they are commenting. Yeah, so if anyone is a plus member here, you no need to attend this. Plus members no need to attend. This is for right? This is not for the plus people. If you are a plus member, you no need to attend this, right? This is for foundation classes, right? If it is really required, I could have informed to you. Plus people, if anyone is there, if it is required, I will inform it to you, right? It is required, but the thing is I will explain anyhow in the plus course. This is not for plus people, right? This is for those people who are studying in the YouTube. For them this course is for them. This course is those people who are studying. This course is for those people who are studying on YouTube, right? So programming and data structure fundamentals. See this one. This is the main course which is going to start. Maybe 1st April, maybe 2nd April, maybe March 30 or March 31st. I don't know. Very soon I will announce. But one thing, it is there. Close to April 1st. It will be there. Right now, today I am going to teach, right, foundation class of programming and data structure, class 2. One class I already done. You can go through them. Few foundations I done. Few basics I covered. In this class, I will cover few more basics. Right? With the help of examples, I am explaining. Can you see this program? If possible, try to find out what is the output. With the help of examples, I am explaining. Please let me know what is the output of this program. Yes, it will be there, right? Ashutosh, it is there, it is there. Please let me know, those people who are watching, what is the output of this program. Right. Last year GATE examination, approximately 10 questions, approximately 10 marks came from, right, programming and data structure. They all are almost, right, they all are almost directly from notes. From programming and data structure in the last year paper, right, 2022 GATE paper, 10 marks came, mostly everything from notes only. Right. So compiler design is directly copy from my notes. TOC is directly copy from my notes. Programming and data structure almost, right, directly copy from notes. Algo little bit tough, right? It came few from the notes, right? Few questions came directly from notes. Few came indirectly. But this subject is came directly from notes only. My sincere suggestion to all the students is, right, algorithm, TOC, compiler design, data structure and programming. Just read my notes, trust me. Just my read notes, right? Just read my notes, they are more than enough. If you are preparing for a GATE examination, these 5 subjects, just read my notes. One time you read, afterwards practice the questions. They are more than enough. Algorithm, theory of computation, compiler design, data structure and programming. Just read from my notes. One time you listen, right? If any, after listening is over, 1 or 2 doubts are there, rectify. And practice the questions. They are more than enough. Trust me, they are more than enough. Yeah, let's concentrate this problem. What is the output of this program? Let's see. If anyone knows, please let me know what is the output. With the help of this problem, I will explain few basics. I think 2 printfs are there. Yeah, 2 printfs are there. 2 things will be printed. 2 printfs are there. 2 things will be printed. Sayan is asking what will be the class timing. So Sayan, still it is not confirmed. Right, very soon, maybe today or tomorrow I will confirm. I made the course page, I sent to them. Some approval is needed, so it is going on. Right, most probably 2 or 3 days, so I will get the clarity. Can you help me what the output of this program? I will explain few basics with the help of this problem. Right, let's see this one. First of all, right, one array data, right? First of all, this is going to be, right, one array declaration. Because of this particular line, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are created. One array with the name ARR. One array created which contain 5 slots. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This is going to be 1000. This is going to be 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008, 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006. Because of it is a float, let us assume that float is 4 bytes. Now see. Let us assume that one float is 4 bytes assume. If it is 1000, it is 1004, 1008, 1012, 1016. Right? Assume that float is 4 bytes. So first element is 1000, next one is 1004. In array, all elements will store continuously. 1000, 1004, 1008, 1012, 1016. And one more. First value which you are going to store is 12.5. Second value 10.0. Third one 13.5. Fourth one 18.5. Right, fifth one 0.5. 12.5, 10.0, 13.5, 18.5, 0.5. So like that all elements are taken. Yeah, fine. Next one, let's go to the next line. First declaration, this is the diagram. Second declaration, every declaration will give one diagram, careful, which is nothing but every declaration will create memory. Whenever a program is running, every declaration will create some memory. Declaration means some diagrams will come. Can you help float star PTR, right? PTR memory will create. I think it is the PTR1 memory created. And one more thing, inside PTR you are storing address, that is the reason star. Address of this one is 2000. So PTR1 contain, right, every one now. Array of 0 means this person will come. Array of 1 means this person will come. Array of 0 means this person. Ampersand means this will come. So this is containing 1000. Right, and one more thing, this person contain address, right, whichever address you give, you will point there. You are given 0th element address, you will point to 0th element. Whichever address you give, you will point there. That is the reason it is called pointer. If I have your address, I will point you. If you have my address, you will point me. If you have your home address, you can point your home, like that. So PTR1 contain ARR of 0 address. It will point to ARR of 0. Now, can you help on the board? If you see one array means base address 1000 will be printed, right? If I say PTR1, it is a variable means inside will be printed 1000. So I think that is the first line and second line. Let's go to the third line. One more PTR2 will be created. One more PTR2 created. Address is going to be 3000, right? Which is containing PTR plus 1. PTR, right, PTR1 is going to be 1000 plus 1 means you will go to next element. PTR1 means you will go to next element. What is the answer? It will become 1004. And see, plus 1 means 1004. It is a plus 4. Remember, one person is 4 bytes. Plus 4 means 4 into 4, 16. It is going to be 16 bytes. If it is a plus 1, 4. It is a plus 4. Every one, right, one element skipping is 4 bytes, 4 element skipping is going to be 16 bytes. 16 bytes, it is a 16, 1016. PTR1 is 1000, right, plus 4 means 4 element skipping, it will be here. Right, fine. Next one, let's go to the third printf. Sorry, let's go to the first printf. I think 3 lines completed. Fourth line I am going to execute now. 3 lines are completed. Fourth line I am going to execute it. Till now any doubt? Check. Till now any doubt? Those people who are watching, till now any doubt? Till now any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Let me check. Because of until now 3 declaration, right? Until now 3 declaration. Every declaration will give diagram. 3 declaration, 3 diagrams. When you are starting new course, it will be done mostly April surrounding, right? April 1 or April 2 or March 30 or March 31st. In couple of days, I can say in few more days, most probably within 3 to 4 days I will start. Within 3 to 4 days I will start. I will share the course page also. Within 3 to 4 days I will start. Within 3 to 4 days I will start. Right, course page is right, making is going on, some approval is needed. Within 3 to 4 days I will start. If you are a plus member, no need to attend this. If you are a only YouTube person, you can attend. Some foundation classes are going on, you can attend. Right, so 3 declaration, 3 diagrams came. First declaration, 1 array is came. Second declaration, 1 PTR1, 1 pointer is came. Third declaration, PTR2, 1 more pointer is came. So like that. So 3 things are over. So now if you see on the board, 1 array name means base address 1000. PTR1 variable inside 1000, PTR2 inside 1016. So until now fine. Can you say what is the PTR2 1016? What is star PTR2? The value inside 1016, right? 0.5. So the output printed is first 0.5 printed. PTR2 is 1016, star 1016, 0.5 will be printed. So this is fine, completed. Next one, right? Print a percentage D, PTR2 minus PTR1. PTR2 minus PTR1. What is the PTR2? 1016. What is the PTR1? 1004. 1000 or 1004? 1000. So 1016 minus 1000, which will goes to 16. Which will goes to 16. But one thing, listen, one thing. The meaning of this line is going to be 1016 is this one. 1016 is this one. 1000 means this one. Right? 1000 means this one. 1016 is this one. When you do 1016 minus 1000, right? 1016 minus 1 minus 1000 is going to be 16. That's okay. But these two addresses, 1016, 1000 belongs to this array. This array, one element is 4 bytes. So after getting 16, divide by 4. After getting 16, divide by 4. If you divide by 4, what happened is it will goes to 4. It will goes to 4. 16 by 4, which will goes to 4. So what it will give is number of elements present before 1016 from 1000. I think 4 people. So second printf will give 4. Second printf will give 4. Some people will think that second printf will give 16. No. Second printf don't give 16. Second printf will give 4. Someone is saying how 1016. Some people are asking how 1016. PTR1 is 1000 plus 4 means, right? From 1000 onwards 4 elements skip. 4 elements skip. In the pointers plus 1 means skipping 1 element. In the pointer plus 2 means skipping 2 people. In the pointer plus 4 means skipping 4 people. If you skip 4 people, everyone is 4 bytes, like that skipping 4 times. 4 into 4, 16. So it is a 1016. Right? Next one, 1016 minus 1016 came. Right? Those two addresses are belongs to this array. Divide by 4. 16 by 4 becomes 4. That 4 is going to be number of elements before 1016 from 1000. From 1000. So it will goes to 16 by 4 becomes, right? 4. I think second printf will give 4. First printf is 0.5. Second printf is 4. Second printf is 4. Simply written, so problem is over. Remember, in this problem I explained what is declaration. What is the declaration? Declaration is the way of getting the memory to your variable. If declaration is not there, you don't know how to allocate memory. Declaration purpose is allocating memory. Declaration purpose is allocating memory. Allocating memory. Declaration purpose is allocating memory. After allocating the memory, right, 3 declarations, so 3 times memory. First declaration is array memory created. Second declaration is 1 pointer is allocated. Third declaration is 1 more pointer is allocated. So 3 declaration, right, 3 diagrams came. Next one, star PTR2. PTR2 is 1016. Star, the value inside 1016, 0.5. PTR1, right, 1000. PTR2, 1016. 1016 minus 1000 is 16. But these two addresses are belongs to ARR array, where every element is 4 byte. So 1000, right, 16 by 4 you do, 4 will come. Why you divided? The reason is subtraction will give number of element. Subtraction don't give address. Subtraction will give number of elements. That 16 is a 16 bytes. Divide by 4, it will become, right, it will become 4 elements. Why you divide by 4? One element is 4 bytes. So 16 bytes by 4 bytes, I think 4 times 4 bytes also cancel, which is going to be 4 elements. So before 1016, from 1000, 4 elements are there. Someone is saying, sir, voice is not audible. Ashish is saying, sir, voice is not audible. Is it so? Ashish is saying, voice is not audible. Is it so? Check one time. Verify one time. Voice is audible or not audible? Rakesh, voice is audible or not audible? It's audible. It's Ashish, it is audible. If it is not audible, people will kill me. Ashish, if it is not audible, people will kill me. Thank you, Harsh. Thank you. Thank you, Harsh. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. So, if anyone is not getting, it's very difficult to get, because these are only foundation classes, means which is nothing but foundation classes are nothing but, right? So, see this one, programming and data structure. See this one, programming and data structure. Course contain programming and data structure course contain 50 lectures. Programming and data structure contain 50 lectures, right? So out of those 50 lectures, I have to teach only 5 lectures here. Out of 50 lectures, I have to teach only 5 lectures. Whatever is possible, I am trying here. Whatever possible, I am trying here. If you get well and good, if you don't get, please join this course. Please do this. If you get well and good, if you don't get, please join this. Because 50 lectures saying in 5 lectures, definitely you will face some difficulty, because so many things I have to skip. Otherwise in 5 lectures I cannot complete all. So few things, right? Many things I have to skip. I am skipping many. That is the reason few things you may not get. If you are getting, excellent. If you are not getting, my suggestion, if you don't want to miss single piece also, if you don't want to miss, right, just come here, which will going to start in 3 to 4 days. Right, now see this also listen. So Unacademy started one new thing which is not there in the last year. Unacademy started notes for GATE and ESE. Unacademy started notes for GATE and ESE. Unacademy started notes for GATE and ESE. Please be careful. It is made by Unacademy educators. Unacademy top educators made this. So if those people who are preparing for a GATE examination, if you want to get the notes, right, scan this QR code. Use the referral code ReddySir. Scan the QR code. Scan this QR code. Use the code ReddySir. Right, you can get the notes. Next one. Those people who want to join in Unacademy, right? So there is one more excellent way, that is Unacademy Combat. If you want to join in Unacademy, there is an Unacademy Combat, right, which will happen every Sunday, at 11 a.m. Every Sunday 11 a.m. Yesterday happened. Next Sunday also will happen. Every Sunday 11 a.m. Unacademy Combat exam will happen. You can join, you can write that exam, get the good rank in that exam. If you can get the good rank in that exam, you can join Unacademy freely. Top rankers will get 100% free scholarship. You can join in Unacademy free of cost. If your rank is top 3, 100% discount. Right? Top 10, 75% discount. Top 50, 50% discount. Top 100, 25% discount. 25% discount. Right? So use the code ReddySir. So I am repeating once again. So those people who want to join in Unacademy, use Unacademy Combat, right? Free of cost you can join. Next one, I'm very happy to share this. I'm very happy when I see this slide. I feel so good. Right? One of my student got top rank. First rank he got. One of my student got first rank. His name is Abhinav. He got approximately 80 plus marks in the 2022 GATE exam. Not only Abhinav, below 100 ranks, below 100, top 100, approximately we got 50 people. 50 students we got below 100. Below 100. Me and Abhinav spoken approximately, if my guess is correct, approximately me and Abhinav spoken in the entire year, approximately 70 times we spoken. He asked many doubts. I learned many things from him. He learned many things from me. Some nice debates are happened. Nights including first rank, CSE branch got. Right, top 100 ranks if you see, right, 50, almost 50 we got. I hope next year we will get more than 50, right? Top 100 if you see as of now 50, next year this time you will see more than 50. It may be 80 next year. Year to year it will increase only. Trust me, Unacademy is the best place. If you want to crack the good rank. Provided if you are determined. If you determined, this is the correct place. If you determined, it is the correct place. If you are not determined, you go anywhere, you are not going to be successful. If you determined really, right, 2023 gate I want to crack, if you decide, or 2024 gate, right, if you decide, 2023 or 2024 if you want to crack. My sincere suggestion is, right, start, right, join Unacademy, start preparation today, don't postpone. If you want to get the gate rank in 2023 or 24, join Unacademy today, right, start preparation now. Today only start the preparation. If you delay, you are the loser. And one more, in YouTube if you see, right, so toppers interview 2022 CSE gate exam toppers interview, if you see, you will see my video and Abhinav video also. He is given some suggestions, you can follow that. Maybe it will be useful. My sincere suggestion is please go through it and watch it. He is given, I took the interview of, right, Abhinav, right, you can see that. Next one, those people who want to practice, questions, you can join Unacademy Lite subscription. This is the test series, Unacademy test series. If you join this one, lot of practice questions you will get. High level questions you will see. Lot of practice questions, high level questions you will see. And right, if they ask, right, so get up to 33% off for a limited time only. So very soon cost is going to be increased. And one more thing. So this may be bad news to you, the good news to you, I don't know. One more news. Let's see this one. See this one. Right? See everyone now. April 1st onwards. Right? Cost is going to be increased. April 1st onwards, cost is going to be increased. 10% hike is there. April 1st onward, 10% hike is there. My sincere suggestion, those people who want to write 2023 gate exam or 24 gate exam, my suggestion is please join today. Because April 1st onward, 10% hike is there. If you want to avoid it, you can join. Right? Plus course, 12 months, right? You have to pay 32,000 plus. Right? 32,000 plus you have to pay. If you join after April, 35,000 plus you have to pay. This is for 1 year, 2 years if you see, 47,000 plus you have to pay. If you join after April 1st, if you join, 51k you have to pay. My suggestion is join as soon as possible. If you delay, most of the ways you will be loser. So from the April 1st onwards, price is going to be increased. Please take care. Next one. See this one. Ascend batch is right. Ascend batch is going to start. You can join in the Ascend batch. In that batch I am teaching algo, data structures, programming, compiler design, TOC. 5 subjects I am teaching. You don't worry. These 5 subjects I will take care. Remaining subjects, so many good faculties are there. Right? So many. The advantage with the Unacademy is many faculties are there. If you don't like one faculty, you can go another faculty. See one faculty, 2 lectures. If you are not happy, you can select one more faculty. there is a great advantage. That is the reason in Unacademy, if you see, teachers also growing, students also growing. Suppose you followed one teacher, after 2 lectures you got to know you are not happy, you can join some other, you can start with some other teacher. There is no compulsion that you have to start with only with that teacher. If you like it, well and good. If you don't like it, you can go with another teacher. So my suggestion is, this is the best platform for competitive examination. It is the best platform, trust me. So Ascend batch is going, right? Ascend batch you can join for 2024. Evalu batch you can join for 2023. Evalu batch you can join for 2023. Ascend batch for 2024. In this batch also I am teaching 5 subjects. Next one. Right, you can join plus also, iconic also. If you join in the iconic, you will get the notes freely. You will get the test series also freely. So many advantages are there if you join iconic. If you join iconic, so many advantages. My suggestion is please go to iconic. You can join plus also, you can go to iconic also. If you go to iconic, many advantages are there. Right, let's go to next problem. See this problem. Given the binary tree of the following form and having n nodes, the height of the tree is. Given a binary tree of the following form and having n nodes, the height of the tree is. So can you check, if the binary tree is in this format, what is the height? If the binary tree is in this format, what will be the height? Can you verify once? Yeah, I think someone is saying that every week there is a promo in Unacademy. So every week is there. What can you say? It's a very big organization. It is a country-wise. It is a country-wise organization. It is not state-wise. It is not district-wise. It is a country-wise organization. So they are giving every week some offer. What is the problem? Utilize that. What is the problem? Himanshu, please join, right? My sincere suggestion is join and start preparation seriously. Sure, Ashish, very soon I will do that. So that is the reason every day data structure I am going to take 3 hours. That is the reason every day I am going to take data structure 3 hours. Actually 2 hours only. I requested them 3 hours per day so that I can complete as soon as possible. Yeah, please request them. Now can you help this binary tree, what is the height you are checking, you are thinking? If the binary tree is like this, what is the height? Suppose assume that I have n nodes, binary tree is in this format. What is the height? What is the height? If the binary tree is in this form and n nodes are there, what can be the height? So can you help me in this binary tree? You only say in this binary tree how many nodes are there? Let me count once. Actually is saying that given a binary tree of the following form and having n nodes, given a binary tree of the following form and having n nodes are there. So you have to say answer in terms of n. Let's forget about n. Let's talk about this. Can you count how many nodes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This binary tree contains 15 nodes. Okay. Can you help what is the height? Everyone know height is going to be, listen, height is going to be number of levels how many? -1. Number of levels how many? How many levels are there? 5. -1, 4. If you want to find out height of any tree, first to find levels, do -1. First to find levels, do minus 1. I think if you see the levels, 5 levels are there. So first level, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level, 5 levels are there. Height is going to be 5 minus 1, 4, 4 height. So 15 nodes, listen everyone now, 15 nodes, height is going to be 4. 15 nodes, height is going to be 4. And one more, see this one. What is the height here? Let's see one small story. 15 nodes, what is the height? 4. Can you help you now? What is the height here? In this subtree, if you observe, height is going to be 2. But nodes how many? I think 6. Node 6. Right? Height is going to be 2. In the similar way, height is 3. In total if you see, height 3, total nodes how many? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 nodes are there, height 3. So the question is going to be, n nodes, what is the height? Can you check once? 15 nodes, height 4. 6 nodes, height 2. 10 nodes, height 3. 10 nodes, height 3. N nodes, what will be the height? If anyone knows. If anyone knows, please let me know. N nodes, what will be the height? I hope I can also get good rank. It is my dream to get good rank. Next one, Imansu is saying something. Yeah. Can anyone help? What is the height here? Check what will be the answer for this. Can you guess what will be the answer? Let's see the answer. If you observe clearly, listen. If you observe clearly, can you help you now? If you observe clearly, first level how many nodes? 1 node. Second level how many nodes? 2 nodes. Third level how many nodes? 3 nodes. Fourth level how many nodes? 4 nodes. Right? Fifth level how many nodes? 5 nodes. Right? 5 nodes are there. Am I right or not? 5 nodes are. This is equal to sum of 5 natural numbers. Right? Sum of 5 natural numbers. This is the total sum. So can you help me now? It leads to how much? Sum of 5 natural numbers. N into n plus 1 by 2. 5 into 6 by 2. What is the answer? 5 into 6, 30 by 2, 15. Total nodes are 15. Right? So now listen, total nodes are 15. That's fine. What about sum? Assume that n nodes are there. Number of levels are, assume k. N nodes are there. Assume that number of levels are k. Then what happened? This may be the case. See, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on k is equal to n should come. Total nodes are n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on k. Sum of k natural number is equal to n. So if you see the formula, k into k plus 1 by 2, which is equal to n. If you see asymptotically, forget about constant, it became k square is equal to n. So finally k is equal to log n, sorry, k is equal to, just apply, right? K square is equal to n. Let me write now. K square is equal to n. Apply root. If you apply the root, what happened? It is k. K is equal to root n. Right? Whole power 1 by 2 multiply. Whole power 1 by 2. Then it will become k square whole power 1 by 2 k n power 1 by 2. I think answer is root n. K value approximately root n. So remember, listen everyone now. Remember, k is equal to root n. Answer is k is equal to root n. Forget about small constants. Answer for this problem is root n. Answer for this problem is root n. Root n is the answer. Root n is the answer. No, number of levels minus 1. Number of levels minus 1. How many levels are there? Just to do minus 1, you will get height. Right? So answer is going to be, forget about constant. Small constants you can neglect. Small constants you can neglect. Small constants you can neglect. So answer is going to be k is equal to root n. Anyone having doubt, let me know. Anyone having doubt, let me know. Answer is root n, not log n, root n. Not log n, root n is the answer. 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on k is equal to n. So sum of k natural numbers. Sum of k natural number is equal to n. So forget about constant, k square is equal to n. So finally k is equal to root n. This is the part of the paid course of DS. Yeah, it will be there, right? Utkarsh, it will be there. You no need to attend. If you are a plus member or iconic member, you no need to attend this. This is for YouTube people. Check anyone having any doubt in this. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Answer is root n. It's a nice problem. It's a very nice problem. Please take care. Now can you see this also? The worst case running time to search for an element in a balanced binary search tree with n into 2 power n nodes is. So can you check this? The worst case running time to search for an element in a balanced binary search tree with n into 2 power n elements is. Try. What will be the answer for this? Try. What is the answer for this? Sir, when will you start the compiler design? Very soon. Right, Pratyusha? Very soon. TOC is going on. I think in couple of days. Right? TOC is going on. Couple of days CD will start. As soon as TOC over, I will start the CD. As soon as TOC over, I will start CD. Couple of days. It will take, I think, I can say 1 week. Maximum 1 week. Yeah, can you see this? The worst case running time to search for an element in a balanced binary search tree with n into 2 power n elements is. So remember, balanced binary search tree means, remember, it is a ABL tree. Balanced binary search tree means it is a AVL tree. AVL tree, n elements. AVL tree, n elements. Height is going to be AVL tree, n elements. Height is going to be, what is asking? The worst case running time to search an element. Yeah, right. Let's see this one. AVL tree, n elements are there. Height is going to be approximately log n. Approximately log n. Some constant factor log n. AVL tree, n nodes. AVL tree, n nodes. Height is going to be log n height. Log n height. And one more. AVL tree is a search tree. AVL tree is a search tree. Please be careful. Searching purpose it will be used. It is a search tree. AVL tree is a search tree. It will be used for searching purpose. AVL tree is a search tree. It will be used for searching purpose. N nodes are there. Log n height will be there. Log n height will be there. Right? Height and levels will be differ by -1. If levels are 6, height is 5. If levels are 10, height is 9. So height will be 1 less comparing with the levels. So AVL tree is a search tree. N nodes are there. Height is going to be log n. Right? And one more. Search tree means what is? Listen. Suppose some tree is a search tree, assume. Some tree is a search tree, assume that. Assume that it is a search tree. Assume that it is a search tree. Whenever you say it is a search tree, right, the advantage with the search tree is going to be that in this tree, when you are searching for one person, a particular person, because of it is a search tree, you will go in one path only. That is the meaning of search tree. Right? In the AVL tree, which is the search tree, you are searching for someone, you will go in one path only. You will go in one path only. One path only you will go. One path only. You don't go multiple paths. One path only will go. If it is not a search tree, many paths you have to go. Search tree normally will go in one path only. That is the reason it is called search tree. It is something like Google Maps, right? Google Maps, searching purpose you are using. To find out the location you are using. You will go in one path only. It don't show multiple paths at a time. It will show one path at a time. One path only it will show. You are searching for some location. Right? From A to B you want to go. Here from root to some node you want to go. Because of it is a search tree, one path only visible. Suppose if you type in the Google, I want to go from here to here, you will find out multiple paths because it is not a search tree. Right? So Google is not a search tree. Right? It's simple, it will give all possibilities. But Google Maps is a search tree. One path only will give. Google Maps will give one path at a time. One path only. So, right, careful, AVL tree is a search tree, means only one path you will go. AVL tree contain n nodes, number of, right, height or levels. Number of levels are height. Right? Forget about -1 + 1. So height is going to be log n. So I think over. In one path only you are going. Right? One path only. If you see that path length maximum log n. Maximum log n. See this one. N nodes, log n height, log n height, log n height, which is nothing but search time, right? Search time also log n, because log n path you are going, everywhere you have to compare in this path. Log n search time it will take. Log n search time. And one more thing, this is the worst case. It is the worst case. AVL tree contain n elements, means log n height, means log n search time. Worst case. Why worst case? You may get that person, ending of the path you will get. Worst case is log n. Can you help me? What is the best case? What is the best case? What is the best case is, listen, here itself you may get. Best case is 1. Let me write now. Order of 1, best case. Order of 1, best case. This is for n elements. N elements. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? How many elements is asking? N into 2 power n elements. N elements, right? Height is going to be log n. Automatically search time also log n worst case. Best case is 1. N into 2 power n elements. What is the answer? You only say n into 2 power n element. Height is going to be apply log for this. If you apply log, because n means log n. N into 2 power n, apply log. What is the answer? It became log of n into 2 power n, which will become log n plus, right? Log 2 power n. Log 2 power n. it is a log n, it is going to be n log 2 base 2 is n, log n and n, bigger one is n. Remember AVL tree with n into 2 power n elements, searching time is n in the worst case. Searching time is n in the worst case. Answer for this problem is n. Answer for this problem is n. Please take care. Answer for this problem is n. Please take care. Best case is 1. Best case, right? Best case is 1. Worst case is, right, n elements are there, log n. n into 2 power n elements are there, log of n into 2 power n, which is nothing but log AB formula, log A plus log B, which is nothing but log n plus log 2 power n. Log n plus log 2 power n is going to be n into log 2 base 2 n. Log n plus n becomes n. So AVL tree with n into 2 power n elements, worst case search time is n, best case is 1. Best case is 1. This is worst, this is best. So careful. N people worst log n, best is 1, right? N into 2 power n people, right? Worst case is going to be n, best case is 1. Careful, everyone careful. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Sir, I have this doubt, you ask me, I will help you. Sir, I have this doubt, you ask me, I will help you. n elements log n, n elements h time is log n, n elements h time is log n, right? n into 2 power n elements h time is log of n into 2 power n, means log mn, log m plus log n. So log, right, which will goes to log n plus log 2 power n, which will goes to log n plus n, finally n. So anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt, you ask me, I will help you. Sir, I have this doubt, you ask me, I will help you. Yes, Pratyusha, yes, we can do that. Right, very close. Red black trees, B plus trees, AVL trees, all are similar. One tree if you can learn properly, AVL tree if you can learn properly, all the trees will come. AVL tree if you can learn properly, all the trees will come. Anyone having any doubt? Sir, I have this doubt, you ask me, I will help you. Let's go to next problem. The pre-order traversal sequence of a binary search tree is, then which one of the following is the post-order traversal of the sequence of the same tree? So what is the answer for this? This is the most expected question. This is the most expected question in the question paper. It is the most expected question normally. Right? It's the most expected question normally. So can you try this? The pre-order traversals, the pre-order sequence of a binary search tree is 3242. Which one of the following is the post-order traversal of the sequence of the same tree? So you want to say indirectly, directly, pre-order is given, what will be the post-order? But major line, see this one. Pre-order is given, I am happy, right? Pre-order is given, is asking post-order, that is also okay. Pre-order is given, is asking post-order, I am happy, but major keyword is BST. It is a BST, binary search tree. Careful. In the binary search tree, left smaller people will be there, right greater people will be there. In the binary search tree, left small people are there, right bigger people are there. That is called binary search tree. And one more thing, pre-order is given. What is the advantage with the pre-order? In the pre-order, first person is root. Careful. Pre-order given means first person is root. Right? Remember, in the next people, right? Whoever is the first next root. Pre-order will always give root. binary search tree, BST will give in order, because in the BST, if you know the root, left is small people than the root, right is more people than the root. You only say pre-order 30 is the root, first person is the root. In the pre-order 30 is the root, it's fine. Pre-order 30 is the root, I am happy. But what the BST will say? Less than 30 left side, more than 30 right side. Can you see this tree and talk? Can you see this tree and talk? Can you see this tree and talk? See the tree and talk. Can you see the tree and talk? Right? See this one. If at all E is the root, according to BST, left smaller, right greater. What is the meaning? Right? See the tree and talk. In the tree, right? If 30 is the root, left small people. Who are the small people left hand side? Less than 30 you see. 20, 10, I think 15, I think 25, I think 23. Right? So I think these are the small people. Who are the bigger people? I think 39, I think 35, I think 42. Like that BST will take care. If you say root is 30, right? So less than 30 left side, more than 30 right side, BST will take care. BST will take care. BST will take care. Left smaller, right bigger, like that. Right? Fine. That's okay. That's okay. Can I help you now? Right? That's okay. Left smaller, right bigger, it's okay. Right? Who are the left side people? 20, 10, 30, 20, 10, 15, 25, 23. Left this, right are these. But one thing I want to ask you. In the pre-order, right? In the pre-order, you only say less than 30, many people are there. In the pre-order, less than 30, many people are there. In all of them, smaller people. In all these small people, who is coming next to? What is the answer? Who is coming next is 20. What is the meaning? In the next group, 20 is the root. In the next group, 20 is the root. Please be careful. In the next group, 20 is the root. If 20 is root according to BST, left small people, right greater people. Can you see the pre-order and let me know who are the less than 20? Less than 20, 10 also, 15 also. Who is the more than 20? More than 20, but remember less than 30 already. More than 20, less than 30. Who are those? Already less than 30. More than 20 required. What is the answer? More than 20. Right? Less than 30. What is the answer? I think 25, 23. 25, 23. Again same story. In the 10 and 15, who is the root? If you want root, just go to pre-order, ask 10 and 15, who is coming first? To 10 coming. So 10 is the root. If 10 is the root, right? What about 10 left and 10 right? Less than 10 is the left side, more than 10 is right side. Who is the more than 10? 15. Next one. Only one person, nothing to ask. Here two people, 25, 23. Can you help me now? 25, 23. 25, 23. Who came first in the pre-order? 25. So 25 is the next root. 25 is the next root. If 25 is the next root, who is the less than 25? Who is the more than? Let's see the diagram and talk. Who is the less than 25? But more than 20. Remember already more than 20. More than 20, less than 25. What is the answer? 23. Can you say more than 30? Sorry, less than 30, more than 25. Who are those? Less than 30, but more than 25. Is there anyone? No one. So I think no problem. I think all are completed until here. Now let's go right side. Right side 39, 35, 42. Out of them, in the pre-order, who is coming first? Out of them, in the pre-order, who is coming first? Remember, pre-order, whoever is coming first is the root. So 39 is root. If 39 is the root, right? Less than 39, who are there? More than 39, who is there? Less than 39, 35 is there. More than 39, 42 is there. Because of only one person, no need to ask also. So this is going to be tree. So pre-order is given, which will give root. Binary search tree is given, which will give, right? Binary search tree is nothing but in order. Binary search tree is nothing but in order. Using BST, I can say who is left and right. Using pre-order, I can say who is the root. So if two people are helping, easily I can do. Pre-order is going to be, right? Root is given, right? Binary search tree means BST. BST will go in order. So I think one person is giving the root, one person is giving the left and right. Easily you can create the tree. After tree construction is over, right, you have to do post order. Can you say what is the post order? Post order means after children's only parents. See, I think I cannot do this because both the children should be over. To complete parent children's required, that is called post order. To complete this one, both the children's required, that is called post order. To complete this one, both the children should be completed. Left not there, it's okay. Right there. So first 15. First answer should be 15. First answer should be 15. Let me try this. First answer should be 15. Yeah, first answer is 15. I think this cannot be the answer. So 15. Next one, first I think this is printed. After left over, left nothing there, so leave it. Right is over, then parent. I think after 15, 10. So this cannot be the answer. Next one, I think this also completed, fine. Next one, I think 20 left completed, 20 go right. But to this one also again left and right should be over. Left 23, next 23. I think this cannot be the answer. 23. After 23, next 25. After 25, next 20. That indication that 30 left completed. Go to 30 right. Go to 30 right, 39, 35. To him once again both the children's record. First 35. Next 42. Next 39. Next 30 over. That is the answer for this. Right? To this problem answer is going to be D option. To this problem answer is going to be D option. D option. Will you complete C and DS please? Where? Yeah, very soon I am starting. I am starting in the plus. These are the foundation classes, few basics. Little bit I want to help. Little bit I want to help those people who are there in the YouTube. Those people who are there in the YouTube, I want to help a little bit. Those people who are watching YouTube videos, to them I want to help little bit, right? So those people who are in the plus, you can happily listen in the plus class, because 50 lectures are there. Happily you can listen, right? For YouTube people only 5 lectures, right? For plus people, right, 50 lectures are there. Happily you can listen, right? Fine. I'm thinking that right? I'm thinking that everyone got whatever I explained till now. Just let me say one thing. I'm thinking that everyone got whatever I explained. See, just go to Unacademy, right? I think there is a link also given. You can click on that link. Go to unacademy.com/@ReddySir. Link also shared, right? Go to that particular one. Please follow me, so that all my free classes you will see. So that you can see all my free classes. So, and one more. Before going to see my classes, you can see all the dedications. My students are given 3,000 dedications are given. 10K followers, 34 million watch minutes. Right, in a month 2 million watch minutes. So my sincere suggestion is, please go to my dedications, right? You can see my followers also, you can see my watch minutes also. Just follow me so that you will get all my right, all my free classes. You can happily see all my free classes, right? So I used to teach in Unacademy algorithm, data structures, TOC, compiler design, programming and competitive programming also, right? Fine. Very soon I am starting the right programming and data structure course. I wish you don't miss it. It will be really useful to your campus placements also. It will be useful really for GATE examination. GATE examination, most of the things will come from my notes only. I don't say anything unnecessary. I don't say anything less also. I don't say. Whichever necessary for exam, I will say that only. That is the reason most of the time it will come from notes only. Thank you so much for listening. In the next class we will see some more topics. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone.